All right, quiz time, everyone. Get your thinking caps on and prepare to delve into the fascinating world of medical breakthroughs. Let's see how much you remember about the trailblazers, the pioneers, the brilliant minds who shaped modern medicine between 1901 and 1910. This was a pivotal decade, a time of incredible discovery and innovation. Ready? Get set. Let's go. The clock is ticking, so focus and let's test your knowledge. Question 1. A real historical head-scratcher. Who was the very first Nobel laureate in physiology or medicine? The very first to receive this prestigious honor, way back in 1901. This was a time before many of the medical advancements we take for granted today. Was it Emil Adolf von Behring, a name synonymous with early immunological research? Robert Koch, the father of microbiology? Louis Pasteur, a giant in the field of disease prevention? Or Emil Fischer, a brilliant chemist who unlocked many secrets of organic compounds? If you guessed Emil Adolf von Behring, congratulations, you're absolutely right. You've clearly done your homework on early Nobel laureates. Now, what did von Behring actually do? What specific contribution did he make to snag that Nobel Prize? What groundbreaking discovery earned him this prestigious award? Was it developing the first vaccine, a monumental achievement in preventative medicine, discovering tuberculosis, identifying the bacteria responsible for this deadly disease? Or was it his work on diphtheria serum therapy, a revolutionary treatment that saved countless children? Yes, it was his groundbreaking work on diphtheria serum therapy, a truly remarkable achievement, saving countless lives, a true medical hero of his time. Moving on to the year 1902. Who grabbed the Nobel Prize in 1902? Let's see if you know your medical history. Ronald Ross is your answer, a name that should be familiar to anyone interested in tropical medicine. And what made Ronald Ross so special? What discovery cemented his place in medical history? Was it the malaria parasite discovery, identifying the causative agent of this devastating disease? Or was it the mosquito-malaria connection? Unraveling the mystery of how this disease is transmitted. It's the mosquito-malaria connection, absolutely. He showed us how mosquitoes spread malaria, a critical piece of the puzzle in combating this global health threat. Talk about a game changer. This discovery revolutionized our understanding of disease transmission. Let's speed things up a little bit. We have a lot more ground to cover. 1903's winner? Niels Ryberg-Finsen, a pioneer in a very unique field, and his claim to fame. What made him stand out from the crowd? Light therapy for lupus vulgaris, a truly innovative approach to treating this skin condition. He literally brought light into the world of medicine. A shining example of thinking outside the box. 1904? That's Ivan Pavlov, a name that's instantly recognizable. What did he do? What contribution did he make to the world of physiology? If you said the physiology of digestion, then you are absolutely correct. Give yourself a point. You're on a roll. He's the guy behind those famous dogs, the subjects of his groundbreaking experiments, and their dinner bells. A cornerstone of classical conditioning. Now, 1905. Robert Koch, back in the spotlight, who pinpointed the cause of tuberculosis. A monumental discovery that changed the course of medical history. An absolute legend, a true pioneer in the field of microbiology. In 1906, we have a double win, a shared prize for two brilliant minds. Camilo Golgi and Santiago Ramon y Cajal, two giants of neuroscience honored for their pioneering work, their groundbreaking research that revolutionized our understanding on the structure of the nervous system, unlocking the secrets of the brain and how it functions. The original brainiacs, true intellectual powerhouses. 1907, Charles Louis Alphonse Laveran, another key figure in tropical medicine for his discoveries about protozoa in diseases, shedding light on the role of these microscopic organisms in causing illness. And in 1908, Elie Metchnikoff and Paul Ehrlich, two pioneers in the field of immunology, won for their work on immunity, revolutionizing our understanding of how the body defends itself against disease. 1909's laureate was Emil Theodor Kocher, a name synonymous with surgical excellence. He made huge strides in understanding the thyroid gland. His work transformed the treatment of thyroid disorders. And finally, 1910. Albrecht Kossel, bringing us to the end of our decade-long journey for his work in cell biology and biochemistry, laying the foundation for our modern understanding of the building blocks of life. So, what's the common thread? What unifying theme connects among these Nobel Prize winners? What fields of study were they all contributing to? Genetics, the study of heredity and the building blocks of life. Immunology, the science of the body's defense mechanisms. Microbiology, the study of microscopic organisms and their role in disease. Actually, all of the above. These pioneers contributed to all of these fields and more. How many did you get right? Be honest with yourselves. Drop your score in the comments below. We'd love to see how you did. And if you want more quick quizzes like this, if you enjoyed this trip through medical history, don't forget to hit subscribe. Join our community of learners. Thanks for playing. We appreciate you taking the time to test your knowledge. See you in the next one. Keep learning and keep exploring.